Push the button, mommy. Teaching her how to game.
Yeah.
Push the button, mommy.
Here. Here. Yeah. And she did it.
Good job, mommy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jaleesa Graham, and I want to give a big thank you to Kalia for sponsoring me and providing me with this cutout one-piece bathing suit. I really do love it, the material and everything, and I made it real, and I would love to share it with you guys. So here you go. I absolutely love my Kalia cutout one-piece swimsuit. The fabric is so smooth and comfortable. And as a busy foster and adoptive mama, I want a swimsuit that's not only stylish, but that can provide comfort and flexibility as I keep up with my little ones. The lycra fibers move with me, and they withstand our countless trips to the pool as we try to get in as much swim time before summer ends. I love that lycra brand is for everyone of all shapes, sizes, and abilities. And I love how beautiful and confident I feel. Thank you again, Kalia, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Me and the baby get in?
Yep. Let me see. Is it cold? How to get used to it, okay?
Oh, let me see.
Get used to it.
It feels colder this time.
Just come in.
It feels like it wasn't even this cold last time. We at the pool, y'all. Let's see. You want to splash them feet, mamas?
Oh, come on. Just come in.
There you go. There you
go.
Come
on. Just come in.
It's cold.
Just get used to it.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm used to it.
You're used to it? It's cold. You want to go in, mommy?
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book.
Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day, Sunday morning, and one thing about me, you're gonna find me in church physically on a Sunday or watching TD Jakes. So today I'm watching my TD Jakes, listening to my gospel and cleaning up. Here go baby girl, just busy in everything. So here's a little bit of cleaning inspiration for you guys. I'm gonna just play some music. We're gonna jam out and clean up, listen to my gospel music. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I have new content coming over, and then go over on Instagram and follow me at Jaleesa Graham.
To the beach, you can meet me there. Tell me when you get there. Texting this boy with the long hair. Yeah, sky so pretty as the sunset. Tell me what we're about to do next. No one is ready to go home yet. Yeah, all we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibe. Feeling so free and alive when I'm outside. And if you're wondering why, it's the summertime. trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? Let you go, let you go now. You love me right for a minute, even though I try so hard to forget it. All you do is pave the way so I could reinvent myself. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow.
Come say hey to my people. I cleaned up a bit today, guys, and what did I do? I cooked some shrimp and rice. It was really good. The baby is teething, so she was a little fussy. I put her down for a nap, and then we decided to go to the pool. So that's where Gabe is. Nicholas, come say hey. Nicholas is working out with the weights. And we had to film some content for a brand that, come here. We had to film some content for a brand post that we're doing. Nick, come say hey. Can you do a picture with me for my thumbnail? Because you're never in my thumbnails. Nicholas, I be getting on his nerves. Ready? Want to show them your muscles? All right. What about your six pack? Okay, well just do a picture with me. Oh, my God. A nice one, just one. Should I do that as my thumbnail? Yeah. All right, so let me set the camera up. I did a post for Kodiak. So they gave us a bunch of these Kodiak coffee butter bars because Gabe liked them, so they sent us a bunch of them. And then I'm going to try this Kodiak blueberries and cream oatmeal. I got this one because Nick loves blueberry. And this is another package of the granola bars and this Kodiak power cakes, flapjack and waffle mix birthday cake with sprinkles. So you can either do this with water, you can do it with, instead of using water, you can use milk, or instead of just using milk, you could use milk and an egg. So we'll see how to make it. I probably will make it with either milk or milk and egg to give it the most like kind of flavor. I've never tried these. Comment below if you guys have tried these before. I've tried all of the Kodiak granola bars, but I've never tried the oatmeal or the pancake mix. And just because this one looks good, like birthday cake with sprinkles, I'm gonna try that. We're gonna swim for a little bit. Let me fix you guys. I'm trying to fix you to like, yeah, we're gonna swim for a little bit and then probably maybe make these and try them. Trying to think. And that's all. Like a little Sunday reset video, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when I am doing, when I'm posting new content. I've been on a roll with content, y'all. Like, come on. I've been on a roll. Getting those videos out. But let's go. I'm very proud of myself. So let's go out to the pool. Kick those feet. Kick those feet. Kick those feet. There you go. Kick those feet. Kick those feet. Kick those feet. Kick them. There you go. There you go. There you go. For like kids, you don't feel it as much though. When you're a kid, you don't. Is it cold, Gabe?
No.
No? Mr. Calvin said it's cold.
No.
Oh, because of your shirt?
It's not cold. I have my shirt on.
Okay. Gotta keep your shirt on next time. That's the secret. That's the secret, Gabe.
What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you were
Look,
down.
Nick. Say no. Do a happy face. Say cheese. Nicholas. Happy face. Right? And action. Cheese. No, a real one. Cheese. Cheese. Come on, you're my oldest boy, Nick. Cheese. Cheese. You look so fake. A real smile. He has to practice his soccer, y'all. Nick, come here. Nick. Nick. Come. I get on his nerves, y'all, but I don't care. Nick. Come. You see the bug? Told you to go to your mom and listen. A bug tried to get him. Come on this side. Say cheese. That's what happens when you don't listen to your mom. God sends bugs out. You understand? I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. So, aren't you proud of me? Yep. I think Corey Kitchen watches my channel.